What's up, folks? It's your boy DT 2.0, and today we have something different. I just got this in today, and I'm kind of excited about it, right? And it's a secret. No, it's not. As you can see, the label that's already on the box, it's from Secret Labs, and it's actually a Secret Lab chair that I purchased. As you can see, the box is kind of toe up right now, so I'm real interested in how it actually looks in the inside, and if I have to send this thing back if there's any type of damage, because the price of this thing, I'll hold off and tell you to the end, but the price of this thing was no joke, right? Now, if you have heard of Secret Lab, you probably know what I'm talking about and how much, but these things were on sale, and I'll tell you exactly how I got into getting this, because actually my youngest son bought one, and then when I went home and went to his room and saw it sitting there, I decided to cop a squat and sit in it, and just fell in love with the feel, fell in love with the reclining, fell in love with the smooth glide of the when I turn around, and I figured that there's some things in life that you don't cheap on, right? Mattresses, underwear, and of course, chairs, couches, and things that can mess with your health, right? If you sit in the chair for an extended period of time, you know, you want to be comfortable, and you don't want it to start affecting your the way you stand, or the way you your back, especially your lower back. So this thing's supposed to definitely help with that. And of course, if I want to lay it back and rest, I can do that also. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, and then I'm gonna set it up. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but I'm gonna let y'all see what I see, and then let you know what I think about how it feels. Because right now I'm just starting to set up a gaming rig, and it's low budget right now, but I'm trying to get it up to par, because I got a whole bunch of boxes over there in the corner from what I had before. So I'm just setting things up, and as you can see, that's a low budget ass Target chair that I got right there for like 50 bucks, and after about 20 minutes of sitting, your butt cheeks be on fire. So we're gonna open this up and get comfortable. Hope y'all like this. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna check this fucking big ass divot, and I think UPS did that to carry this shit on the 3rd floor. So I feel for him, because it is heavy AF, but at the same time, come on, man, use the truck or whatever. Use one of them hand trucks to get it up the stairs. Don't divvy in my box, because if I have an issue with it, I gotta send it back. So let's get into this. Box is really heavy duty, and as you can see, good presentation. Hey, it even has a little sticker for hand inspection. I really like this. Don't know about this, right? Is this not the Kobe symbol, or the Mamba symbol, or I don't know, Trinity in what was that? Tomb Raider? This cardboard is real thick right here. So this is the directions for it. And we're gonna go through these steps. Welcome to comfort. Oh man. Oh, this thing is not light. As you can see, each one of these parts are individually wrapped, I don't know, like some damn hot pockets. So this tells you the level of quality we have up in here. As far as, let's put this up here. Ah, I got that new car sent to it too. Hey. I was about to say motherfucker, I said it anyway. This video ain't sponsored by SecretLab. It's sponsored by my damn wallet. So if you see me swinging on SecretLab balls, I'm not. I'm just excited about new shit, just like y'all be. But it's the back, nice and thick. and feels comfortable. This is fake leather, PU leather. I don't even know why they have leather in the name if it's not real, but real high quality. Lumbar support. This was individually wrapped, and you can tell it's memory foam. I'm a Saints fan, obviously, from my picture, so you know I'm digging the black and gold. Plus, this is the Omega size, not the Titan size. This is the Omega size, but this Omega sign right here kind of reminds me of God of War, which I'm a big fan of. So if you haven't played any of those games, why? The pedestal at the bottom, well packaged. Even on the trash, they have we're just gonna call it the Trinity symbol. And this is 100% metal. I'm throwing the Target chair in the fucking garbage. And here's a seat. Jeez Louise, this thing is heavy, right? Again, nice branding on the trash, right? Even if you look at the bottom of this, it looks high quality. Look at that. Everything's nice and shiny, hard, thick metal. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. And it's big. I got the Omega size just in case. I'm getting old. Might gain a few pounds. Nice branding on the armrest right here. And it's supposed to be what they call 4D. It goes there, slides in and out, and then goes up and down. Man, inside of here, you can see it looks a little like carbon fiber. This is a lot of good detail in this chair. And this seat is soft but firm at the same time. So you don't want it too soft, just like this chair. It's too soft so I can actually feel the cardboard bottom. But this one, you can feel that you're not gonna get to the bottom and it's gonna last over a period of time. I'm excited about putting this motherfucker together. Really like the red stitching, just like a car seat. And plus it matches my desk right here on my low budget rig. SecretLab headrest. So if I want to take a rest, this is memory foam also. Stitching in here is not, you know, what do they call it? Screen printed stitching. Now, I know what y'all thinking. Oh, he could have saved money by getting a GT racing chair off of Amazon. But again, this goes back to what I said at the beginning, right? Some things you don't cheap out on, right? Underwear, mattresses, and things that fuck with your lower back. And this chair definitely will mess with your lower back. Or not this chair, but the one that I'm in will definitely. I was playing GTA 5 for 30 minutes yesterday and had to keep switching butt cheeks to get comfortable. Anyway, boom. Wheels and plastic coverings for everything. And again, as you can see, this has got some good, nice weight to it. Seriously, I can't wait to put this thing together. And under here, I'm trying not to waste it. Oh, okay. Just more stuff for the bottom of it, the hydraulic piece, and then what is this? The fucking DVD. Oh, tools. Again, with the branding on it. I'm starting to feel comfortable about the amount of money I paid for this, especially since it was on quote unquote on sale. Starting to feel comfortable. Now I just got to put it together and then see how it feels for this version. I don't know what this is called, but I know this goes on the bottom of the seat and it allows you to recline. I can't do it with my hand right now, but obviously when you're sitting on it. But this thing is heavier than the chair I'm sitting in. Ridiculous. And obviously it says, do not touch. I'm touching it like a mug, but I won't hurt myself. I'm only doing this to show you guys what comes in the box. These directions are just as big as a damn box. They could have cheaped out, like if I would have got one of those cheap ass Amazon chairs, but they made sure that they give you clear directions. I'm pretty sure there's a link on here to go to their website because I've already seen it, or go to their YouTube page to see how to put this thing together. So, I don't know, play a game or something and I'll come back and it'll already be together. just the level of detail that you get with this package. Even the tools have the symbol on it. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is almost Apple-like. And I know you got some Apple haters out there that's going to say get off of Apple's nuts, but I'm just saying this is almost Apple-like, the way they take this stuff seriously. So it took me 2 minutes to do this, and I think after this is pretty much just, I don't even need the directions really, but I'm gonna follow them anyway. And last but not least, folks, the price. Now, regular price was over $400, but I got it for $337. And with that, you get a 3-year warranty. And then if you give them some promotion, which this video does not count as a promotion, they want you to take a picture and then post it on one of your social media accounts. It will not be YouTube for me, but I do like free shit, free 50. You get a free 2-year warranty extension, which brings it to a 5-year warranty rolled into that price. Plus, as heavy as that box is, it was free shipping. Yeah, insert crickets there. So I'm real happy with my purchase. I'm real happy with the feel of it. It's really comfortable, and I can't wait to start working in it. I'm about to play some GTA 5 though. I ain't gonna even lie to you. So with that, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you want to know, if you want the website, I'll put it down in the description. It's not secretlabs.com because it'll take you somewhere else. It's actually secretlab.co, and that's lab, no S. Other than that, this DT 2.0, I'll holla at y'all. Peace.